welcome to mywealth.com. I'm Bob O'Brien. The blog for today is Obama vs. the Charities. Now, we all saw President Obama last week in his primetime news conference. The question was asked, did he regret, as part of his budget, reducing the rate in which people will get a deduction for charity? And he had said that he felt that if people were just giving a charity just for deduction, that it really wasn't charitable. And I don't think anyone could really argue with that. And that also the charitable contributions have gone down because of the recession. And I don't think anyone could really argue with that either. But as a financial planner and someone that has seen some people that maybe have looked to give too much, perhaps to charity, that would perhaps interfere, especially later on in life. They feel like they're able to give a lot more to charity than they actually can. And yet when you run their numbers, they might run out of money when they're 85 or 90 years old, and you'd have to tell them, you either have to stop giving more to charity or cut back, and that they might see them do a mixture of both. I think it's important that we talk about this and take a look at it in more detail.
Also, make certain that you check out the written blog at www.mywealth.com/blog. Okay, reducing the deduction for charity will reduce amounts that charities receive, and that's really the main point here. In 2008, if you gave to a charity and you were in the 36% tax bracket, you would get a deduction at that bracket. Now, under the new proposal, you only get a deduction at the 28% bracket. They've also proposed to raise the 36% rate to 39%, so this would make for a total reduction for charitable giving of 11%. Now, many people give or tithe based upon a percentage of their net income as part of a formula in their financial plan. So when you reduce the amount that they can actually take as a deduction, that will reduce the net dollar amount that charities actually receive. Now, people are passionate about this percentage, and it is a genuine gift, but the net amount that charities will receive will be reduced because these people are giving on a percentage basis. I realize a lot of people have different beliefs about tithing and giving, and that is indeed a personal choice. And I also feel that the need to have a formula for our finances is personal as well too, and everyone should have some sort of formula for the way they manage their finances. And that's what we do here at MyWealth. So don't wait, get in a course, get educated, get to www.mywealth.com.
I want to be perfectly clear that I have the highest respect for the president, and I certainly would not want his job. But yet I do feel very strongly at the same token, this policy will reduce the amount of money that goes to charities. And it just brings up a point that I've always looking upon our political leaders, is that I think we don't use our fiscal policy more effectively. Obviously monetary policy is a big part of how we run the economy. And you learn a lot about that in our currency course. You definitely want to look into that. Not just the United States monetary policy, but the monetary policy of a lot of different countries as well. And that course is just $19.99, so you definitely want to check that out. But fiscal policy is more run by the Congress, the president, and so forth. And I think with something like this, with the charities, I don't think that's such a great idea. And I also see them make other changes as well. Why not make overpaying your taxes tax deductible at the federal level? And also, I would have liked to have seen someone call out during the real estate bubble when we had prices run up out of control. They could have said, we're going to eliminate the deductions for real estate. This may have cooled off the real estate market. We may not be as much of an economic mess that we're in right now. Just some thoughts to share with you. Main point here is, though, is you definitely want to make certain that you have a strong formula for your own finances, whether it be saving, if you were tithing, and making certain that that's affordable, that you're looking after yourself as well, making certain that you have enough for your own personal future and to live beyond a retirement plan that provide you with income for as long as you live. And that's what we help you do in our personal finance course. In our investing course, we help you invest that money. So you definitely want to check these out. They're very affordable at $25. My name is Bob O'Brien. I look forward to seeing you in the courses, and have an excellent day.